Hi, my name is Anna Marie and I live here with my husband and two children. I'm a teacher and we built on my family's farm. We built using ICF, which is insulated concrete form, and it just really appealed to us at the time as it's more energy efficient and the build was really fast. We have a traditional style bungalow. It's a dormer bungalow, and I suppose it's kind of classical, but there are some modern touches to it. I've always had an interest in interior design and in everything to do with homes, but I suppose I didn't realise that until we rented our first home and I started doing up bits. A lot of the design ideas that I got were actually from Pinterest, Instagram and magazines. I would have created mood boards on Pinterest for every room and kind of had a fair idea of what we wanted before we went browsing, and I would have made a scrapbook as well. I try to keep the same theme throughout the house. Maybe kind of rustic vibes is kind of what I'm drawn to, but I also like older pieces and going to second-hand furniture shops and maybe upcycling, and I feel like they do work together. For our main bedroom, the real inspiration behind that was the wallpaper. I wanted to create a real calm place in this bedroom, and the wallpaper is kind of subtle enough that it does that, and then like warm touches like the materials, the bed sheets, the curtains, they all add that extra calmness to the room. I decided to go with the ICOS salt and pepper material from Material World. After getting that material sent out as a sample in the post, I was able to see what it was like with my wallpaper, as it has kind of a neutral background, and I was able to see what it was like in daylight and as well as that as in the night light, which is important. What I loved most about this fabric was the texture in it, but also that the colour of it was the perfect neutral, which can be hard to find, especially when you're trying to match up a wallpaper. And also I loved the pleat that came in them, because it's kind of French kind of a pleat, and it fits in with the rest of the style of the room. I wanted a calm space for the boys' rooms, but at the same time just for it to be a little fun for them. They both love animals, dinosaurs, so I chose to do the room in green. The boys both love green. I wanted to have a little fun with it, so I did the scalloped edge on one wall. And it's a dormer room, so it's, you know, there's a lot of angles and things like that, so I wanted it to be kind of open it up and make it look bigger, and that's why I chose to have a Roman blind rather than curtains, and to hang it that bit higher to give the effect of a higher ceiling. For their bedroom I went with a natural vintage teal stripe Roman blind. It was a lovely subtle stripe with a lovely colour that went with the green that we had already painted on the walls, and I just thought it was subtle enough that it would go with any colour room if I do change it in the future. This fabric was quite timeless, vintage as it says, so the stripe in it is very subtle, it's not too harsh, and the quality of it, and again when it arrived in the post, the weight of the box and the weight of the blind and the bracket that it was made on, I was really shocked by that and surprised, and it was very easy to hang then as well. The process of ordering from Material World was very enjoyable. It was so easy to view all the fabrics online, and there was so much choice. You know, so I ordered loads of samples and they came in the post, which was brilliant. And I was able to, you know, try them out, see what they look like in the different lights. My best advice to people would be to live in your home for a while. I mean, we're nearly here 3 years and I'm only putting up curtains in the bedroom now and in the boys' room. We needed to know what way they were going to work and also what exactly we wanted. I think sticking with neutral colours is probably best because it's a safer option, timeless. And you know, if the room changes or if you change your colour scheme, your window dressing will always work. I would highly recommend Material World if you're looking for window dressings for your home. They were really easy to deal with. They were always a phone call or an email away. Their fabric choices and selection was just amazing, and everything was just so easy to deal with, and all from the comfort of my own home. So I'm really happy with them.